Hello Sukhjiwan, it's Zurab here at Vos Motors taking this video especially for you of this 2012 Kawasaki VN900. It has 19,800 kilometers on it and the price is 5488 plus HST and the licensing. This motorcycle is already certified and serviced as well. We did oil change too. You don't have to do anything. It looks amazing. It has very nice. These are the Lindsay bars, pretty pricey. These are highway crash bars and the foot pegs as well. Footrest for highways. It's about $500 to $600 upgrade on it. The exhaust looks as a stock. Here we go. It does have a little modification. As you see the holes, it's slightly louder than the stock one. The tire condition is perfect. So the bike appears very, very clean and nice. No stories, no accidents, no claims. If you have any question regarding this motorcycle, please call me back at 905-660-2901, extension 212, and I'll be more than happy to assist you. Thank you.